Welcome to Articalize. This is the only AI content writing software that lets you create content that actually gets ranked on Google and also on AI search engines. It works by letting you grab human content and then transforming it into a high quality, trending, and absolutely relevant article. Let's see how it works. Now, the articles that you write can be visible or are visible in the article section. Here are some articles that I wrote recently. To get started, to start your first article, what you need to do is go to Writer and you have multiple options. You can start from scratch, which is start with a blank screen. You can turn a YouTube video into an article. You can turn a Facebook post into an article. You can do the same with X threads, threads on threads.net. You can do that with Quora posts, with Reddit posts, with articles on LinkedIn, with posts on LinkedIn. You can transform any website URL, right? Absolutely any website URL into an article. You can create product reviews by sourcing content from Amazon and from any other e-com website. You can create product comparisons by just picking up content from two product websites and just putting it side by side together. You can even make listicles or write a complete article with AI. Now, I'm going to tell you this. Sourcing content from places like YouTube or social media, websites like Facebook and all, is a very smart strategy because these websites have the latest content. Whenever something new emerges, whether it's a new idea, a new incident or a happening in the world, or there's a new product or a new concept or a new thing that people want to discuss, it appears on sites like YouTube, on X, on Facebook. So that's where you should be grabbing your content from. Let's get started by converting a YouTube video into an article. Now, if you go to that page, you can of course put in a YouTube video URL and then open YouTube. Otherwise, what you can do is you can use Articalize plugin all the time. So when you're browsing the internet, you're just browsing it naturally. And let's say you like a video that you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert this video. All you need to do is click on the Articalize Chrome extension right here. Yes, there is a Chrome extension as a part of the package. And you can just click on Get Transcript. It automatically shows you the right option for every website. And once it's got the transcript, just click on Proceed to Articalize. And you will see the transcript on the screen. If you want to change it in any way, you can. Otherwise, just click on Next. And then you get to choose how you want to create the article, what kind of AIs you want to use. So we do give you options to use multiple AIs. There's of course OpenAI, ChatGPT, there is Gemini, Mistral, Claude models. There are models from Meta, Llama, and Grok 3 too. So you can use any AI you want. I'm going to use OpenAI GPT-4. It's a pretty good one. You can also select the language that you want to create the final content in. And remember, it doesn't matter what the source content is in. The final language is according to what you choose. So yes, it does the translation on runtime. Now you can also choose to either view the TOC, the table of contents that Articalize generates for that particular content that you gave as source, or you can just choose to skip that step. And of course, Articalize also creates images, right? And you have multiple models to use to create the images too. I will use GPT images 1, but there are a bunch of other models. And if you want, you can put text on the images. Yes, I want to do that. You can also choose the ratio for the image and decide how many images you want to create. And you can choose the style of the article that you want to write. So you've got so many different styles. Next, you can choose how many words you want to create. 1200 is pretty good. Just click on Next, and the first thing, Articalize will look at the source content. It will automatically structure it and create a table of contents.